it's me, Kirsten, and I'm so glad that I'm almost done with my first year here as a doc student in the math ed department. I guess that kind of makes me a cocky, edgy dog because I'm from Columbia, South Carolina, home of the mighty Gamecocks. I was an elementary teacher at a technology magnet school for 6 years before I came here. I taught 4th and 5th grade math, and I tried to use as much technology to capture their attention as I could. In fact, one of our class projects was making videos or music videos for our school rules. I also have a passion for helping students succeed in math, and that's one of the main reasons why I came here for grad school. After doing tons of reading, I've narrowed my research interest down to students with mathematics learning difficulty. I hope to design curriculum materials and online resources for teachers and students to use in their classrooms. For the most part, my classes keep me busy studying, and depending on whether I'm a teacher's assistant or a research assistant, you may find me teaching math methods courses to prospective elementary teachers, or in my office working on projects and transcribing data for research groups. In a way, I kind of traded my chaotic kids from 4th grade to college kids with career goals. When I do have spare time, I like to hang out with my friends and visit my family back in Columbia, especially my niece and nephews.